Let's check out the absolutely amazing KZ EDX Pro X IEM earphones. You can see all the specs of them here. And inside the box, we get our earphones. Also a very nice cable. So I have already used them for almost a week and generally actually I'm very impressed in these. In fact, out of all cheap earphones, I think no other earphones can actually beat these when you consider the price, the quality and also the sound quality. Also inside the box we get 2 pairs of extra tips as well and also your warranty card here. First, when it comes to the price, personally I got mine from AliExpress and I literally paid only like a bit over $2 for mine, and that also was with free shipping. If you also want to get these for a similar price, simply check out the special discount links I'll leave in the description. Again, this is also directly from the manufacturer who makes it for the cheapest price possible. So also you can also get them in different versions with the microphone or without the microphone. So yeah, for this price, they're totally unbeatable, essentially. By the way, the normal retail price is maybe like $7 or $8. But again, so if you follow the links, you can get them for insane deal, essentially. So let's pop them out and check what we actually get. So first, when it comes to build quality, so again, we have to remember there's actually low price on these, but actually the build quality is way better than actually thought it will be on these. So we have, as you see, like very nice clear case with the driver inside there. So on the channel in the past year, maybe I have used like 20 of these different IEMs. A lot of manufacturers even send them. So personally, I purchased these myself, so no one can send me these. But yeah, when it comes to the like build quality on how they feel, actually these don't actually feel any like worse than maybe like $20 or $25 earphones. So when it comes to build quality, so for this price, really actually absolutely unbeatable here. Okay, also very decent tips here and the connector pins. Also, when it comes to included cable quality, also I was actually quite surprised that just yeah, when you look at the overall build quality, this actually looks like a very premium product here that should actually last you a very long time. So see, you have actually a very nice cable here. And also, yep, you can also get these with a microphone as well, so for like extra $1 essentially. And also you have the control for answering and denying calls essentially here as well. So I'll show you the microphone quality also later in this video. So this is what the connectors themselves look like. As you see, for this price, so again, these retail maybe for like $7 or $8 normally. At that price, even still, they actually feel, yeah, actually very premium here. As you see when you check the connector quality here. So definitely, yeah, actually no worse really than some maybe other $20 or $25 earphones here. Okay, so if you basically want to connect them, so you would take your earphone here. When it comes to neck disc, however, I wish they actually put on some kind of markings, which is left and right, and how it actually goes together. So if you're a beginner, I guarantee you will actually struggle to understand how to actually connect these and put them in essentially. But anyway, so let's connect them here. So simply plug them in like this. And also the strength of this connector also is very decent, so there's really no chance it will actually like come apart or stuff like that. So yeah, when it comes to the quality for this price, really, I think it's absolutely insane what we're getting here. So let's plug them together. So, okay, so you see, I actually messed up. So again, I wish they actually included some markings here. Okay, this is how they should connect. So simply observe here. And when it comes to sound quality, I would say when it comes to the price, these really had to be the cheapest, actually still very decent sounding earphones you can get. So I do not actually think at this price you can get anything that actually sounds better. Up to maybe like $15 to $20. Then already KZ actually has some earphones that are actually slightly better than these. But again, for this price, really no other earphone model in the market currently can actually beat them. So first, when it comes to frequency response graph, if you need to see this stuff, yeah, here it is, or also you can basically see it in their own website as well. So when it comes to overall sound quality for this price, again, I think these are absolutely unbeatable. So At this price, really, there is no other earphones that can actually beat it when it comes to sound quality as well. So also I have seen some marketing claims from the cases that these can match maybe some even like $50 earphones, but I think that's very far stretched, because if you compare maybe to these, to actually like decent some $40 or $50 IEM earphones from other manufacturers, then of course these aren't as good. So again, that's quite stretched. But for this price, really, they're completely unbeatable. So how do they actually compare to more expensive earphones? So maybe like 5 or 6 times more expensive earphones. So first, the overall depth of the sound isn't as premium basically on these. And also the clarity and crispness again is slightly lacking basically if you compare to like, yeah, obviously way more expensive earphones than these ones. I would say the volume, however, is actually very, very decent on these. But again, so when it comes to overall crispness and how actually crisp the sound sounds like, so again, they're actually not like $50 or $40 earphones as KZ claims. So again, it's far stretched. But again, so if you compare these versus maybe some other manufacturer earphones at maybe like $20 or even up to like $25 range, I think these easily match up, so almost like 1-to-1 when it comes to actual sound these can produce. So yeah, for this price, they're actually completely unbeatable. Also, if you're wondering how do these actually compare to the a bit older model, so I also got this, okay, what do we have? So you see, also have this KZ EDX Pro, so the non-X version. So this X version is essentially like a newer version of these. When it comes to build quality, these are identical really. Except as you see, like tiny bit different like design for the metal plate. But again, so when it comes to build quality, these are identical. Overall, I would say the sound quality is maybe like 15% better on these. So I think the volume actually is tiny bit louder. I have, if you check the driver size of these versus these, then you see actually these are actually larger drivers inside, but when it comes to sound quality and how they actually sound, I actually prefer these. So even though they have actually like tiny bit smaller drivers, so they obviously have like improved the quality on these, and they have managed to get even away with smaller drivers on these and still actually produce, yeah, in my opinion, actually maybe again like maybe 15 to 20% better sound quality overall in most areas. And next, let's test out the microphone quality on these. So currently I'm speaking maybe like 10 to 15 centimeters away from them, almost directly inside. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. And previously I was recording on like a $400 microphone, so obviously the difference probably will be absolutely massive. Overall, when it comes to microphone quality, when it comes to clarity for this price, actually this is actually very decent. However, when it comes to volume, I find it actually lacks a bit. So if you use this for some kind of recording, you will actually have to increase the gain on the microphone on these. So again, it's not the loudest microphone, definitely. So as you heard, the microphone quality definitely also is actually very decent on these, especially considering the price of it. But again, so I think the volume actually lacks a bit for the microphone. So again, if you use it for some kind of voiceover, so again, you will actually have to go in the like audio gain settings and actually increase the gain on these to get the best volume. But apart from that, really for basic stuff, so really can't complain at all essentially about these. So, and overall, should you maybe get these earphones? Well, yep, again, for this price really and what everything we get on these earphones, really they're completely unbeatable really. So no other earphone in the market that can actually give you this build quality plus also the sound quality, and really no wonder why these are actually like one of the most popular like super budget earphones. So for this price, really, yeah, absolutely unbeatable. Obviously we do not get any fancy packaging on these, so only like a simple like small plain box. So again, you aren't actually paying anything for any like junk that they usually include on these earphones to make them look like more posher essentially. So again, you're getting only your earphones, everything you need, but actually in very decent quality and for the lowest price possible. And again, if you want to get these for the cheapest price possible, simply check out the special discount links in the description that I'll leave you for this price, also with free shipping. Really, this is completely unbeatable what we're getting here. Not only very decent sound quality, very decent build quality, and they also look very decent as well, in my opinion as well. Anyway, good luck.